At Centor, we believe the world is beautiful. That's why we develop products to better connect you to your world outside, without compromises. Designed with an elegant modesty, Centor door and window screens glide smoothly at the touch of a fingertip and can be easily operated from any height. Unique load balancing technology gently holds the screen at any position, allowing for an effortless flow between inside and outside living spaces. With no pleats or lines to obstruct the view, our screens will keep your home free from insects without chemicals or sprays. When not in use, screens retract discreetly and completely into the frame, offering an uninterrupted view and protecting them from dirt and damage. Centor screens can be installed on the inside or outside of any type of door. Once installed, the mechanism is easily accessed through removable covers for simple servicing or cleaning. Designed for larger openings, Centor's award-winning S4 screen and blind system allows complete control over your living spaces. Light filtering fabrics let daylight in while still providing sun and glare protection. Blockout blinds offer complete privacy or darkness when needed. Screens and blinds are retained within all four edges of the frame and held in place with tabs to prevent insect screen blowout and support luxury interior blind fabrics. Centor's S4 can also be configured as a screen and blind combination or cornerless for homes with postless corner doors. All of Centor's horizontal, retractable screens are made to order in our own factory. Our durable aluminium screen frames are available in any colour to match existing doors or windows. Screen mesh is available in a choice of options to control insects and airflow. Blinds for the S4 can be selected from a range of patterns and colours to suit any home. All Centor products are sold and serviced through a network of Centor screen resellers and backed by a 5-year limited warranty. Visit www.centor.com for more information.